Today we are going to know about non-canonical right section. It does not involve beta-catenin but influence cytoskeleton remodeling by ROCK and JNK. So this planar cell polarity pathway is beta-catenin independent WNT signaling pathway. It regulates cell polarity, movement and cytoskeleton remodeling rather than gene transcription. The WNT ligand binding. The WNT protein binds to the Frizzle receptor on the cell membrane and this activates the intercellular protein DVL. The DVL recruits actives small GTPase like Rho, RAC and CDC42 and these molecules in turn activate ROCK, that is the Rho associated kinase, and JNK, that is C-Gen N-terminal kinase. The ROCK control the actin and microtubule cytoskeleton, directing cell movement and polarity. This JNK phosphorylates transcription factor like JUN and altering the gene expression to support the cytoskeletal organization. The function of this PCP pathway is tissue morphogenesis. It is essential for the neural tube closure and convergent extensions in the cell intercalations to lengthen the tissues and organ development. The cell polarity and movement, it controls the directional movement of cell in developing the embryo, and in cancer and metastasis it disrupts the PCP signaling which are linked to the cancer progression and tumor invasion. In wound healing also it is important in regulating the epithelial cell migration during tissue repair. Then the difference between the PCP and canonical WNT pathway. The beta-catenin is not involved in the PCP whereas it is involved in the canonical WNT pathway. It stabilizes and enters the nucleus. Main effector of beta-catenin is TCF and LEF. The outcome is gene transcription and the biological role is cell proliferation and differentiation. Whereas if we see the PCP pathway, the non-canonical pathway, the main effector where beta-catenin is not involved. So DVL, ROCK, GNK, Rho A and RAC are the main effectors. The outcome is cytoskeletal changes and cell polarity, and the biological role is cell movement, polarity, tissue and tissue development. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.